Hello everyone, I am Dr. Mohit Dhawan, consultant dermatologist at Renovin Skin Hair and Laser Clinic, Zirakpur, Punjab. Today we will discuss about melasma. So, what is melasma? Melasma or blemishes are dark brown or black patches over face, mostly on the sun-exposed parts like cheeks, nose, forehead, and chin area. Melasma or blemishes are very common because it occurs mostly in females due to some hormonal disturbances over the sun exposed parts. The main causes of melasma are the pregnancy. Usually, the melasma or blemishes occur during or after pregnancy due to some hormonal changes. It may occur after oral contraceptive pills intake. Blemishes or melasma may occur after some hormonal treatment in females, or it is usually common after some other medicines also. The main culprit is sunlight. Whenever a patient with some hormonal imbalance or pregnancy goes to sunlight, the melasma or blemishes occur over the sun exposed parts. So, for prevention of the melasma or blemishes, first of all, we have to cover our face with some clothes, or we have to apply some broad spectrum sunscreen over the face. We have to use full sleeves. We have to wear hats and umbrella and should avoid direct sunlight in between 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. As we say, prevention is better than cure. So the patients having history of melasma in family, they should avoid direct sunlight and apply sunscreen as frequently as possible. But as we also say, not all the black spots over the face are blemishes. There are some differential diagnosis of melasma also, like some patients apply heavy cosmetics and it may lead to some pigmentation that is called Rehel's melanosis over the face. Even the hair dye allergy, it can cause the pigmentation over the face, or henna application, or some amla oil application, mustard oil application over the face or scalp. It may lead to hyperpigmentation of the face that is called lichen planus pigmentosus or epidermatosis. Even after the application of hydroquinone based applications, creams, a condition called secondary uchronosis may occur over the face which closely resembles melasma. So not all pigmentation over the face are blemishes or melasma. So a patient should visit dermatologist before any self-treatment. Patient should not buy any cream which contains steroid from over-the-counter medicines and must visit a dermatologist before any treatment. Now coming on to the treatment part, we have now multiple options for treatment of melasma or blemishes, even in stubborn cases. First of all, we use medical treatment. There are many creams available in the market which are used in treatment of melasma. Mostly these combinations are safe. The most potent topical application is molecule hydroquinone. The hydroquinone is a very potent bleaching agent for melasma treatment. Hydroquinone in low concentration, 2 to 4% can be used for melasma treatment. And there are other preparations which are very safe, which contains vitamin C, arbutin, tranexamic acid, licorice extract, etc. They are present in the market, which are very safe and can be used for longer terms in case of melasma treatment. If medical treatment fails, then we can use, along with medical treatment, some chemical peels which can contain glycolic acid, salicylic acid, or trichloroacetic acid in low concentrations for the treatment of melasma. Even in some cases, after so many treatments of medical and chemical peels, the melasma is very resistant. In that cases, we have got Q-switch NDX laser, which can be used as a third line agent in case of melasma treatment. So in our clinic, we have got all the treatment options for melasma or blemishes. So if you have any problem with this melasma treatment, we can you can come to our clinic and we can treat it. Always ask your dermatologist before treating the melasma or blemishes, and always apply broad spectrum sunscreen before going to sunlight. Thank you very much.